In this video, I'll guide you through how to share a Webex recording link quickly and efficiently. Whether you're collaborating with colleagues, sharing a presentation, or simply making sure everyone has access to important information, sending a Webex recording link is a straightforward process. Let's dive into it. First, you'll need to navigate to the Webex User Hub. This is where all your recordings are stored and managed. If you're not familiar with the Webex User Hub, it's essentially your command center for all things Webex. Here, you can schedule meetings, manage your account, and most importantly for us today, access your recordings. Once you're in the Webex User Hub, look for the Recordings tab. It's usually located in the main menu, and this is where you'll find a list of all the meetings you've recorded. Now, if you're using a free trial version of Webex, you might not see the recording section. Unfortunately, the free trial version has some limitations, and this is one of them. If that's the case, you may need to upgrade to a paid plan to access and share recordings. Assuming you have access, let's move on. Next, from the list of recordings, select the one you wish to share. You'll want to click on it to open up more options. This is usually as simple as clicking on the title of the recording. Once you've selected your desired recording, you should see an option labeled Share. This is what will allow you to generate a link that you can send to others. Click the Share button. At this point, a dialog box will appear with various sharing options. What you're looking for is a link to the recording. Webex makes this very straightforward by providing a copy link option. Simply click on the copy link button, and the link to your recording will be copied to your clipboard. This is the link you'll be sharing with others, so make sure it's correctly copied. Now that you have the link, the final step is to send it to your intended recipients. You can paste this link into an email, a chat message, or any other form of communication you prefer. If you're sending it via email, it might be helpful to include some context about the recording, such as the meeting topic or date, to ensure your recipients know what they're about to view. And that's it. You've successfully shared your Webex recording link. By following these steps, you can make sure that everyone who needs to access the recording can do so easily. Sharing Webex recordings is a powerful way to keep everyone in the loop and make sure important information is accessible to your team or audience. This quick tutorial has shown you exactly how to share a Webex recording link. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on using Webex and other online tools. Thanks for watching and happy sharing.